ingane instead ukuthi ngiyomfundisa esikolweni esiselokishini. And I'm not saying they have less quality of education, but they have less resources, right? I can take the child to a school that has better resources.
Yeah,
Why?
cheaper.
Because kunemali engenayo
Yeah.
endlini. So if endlini kungena i-combine, that's why even government systems check ukuthi mawushadile combine imali engenayo combined iyimalini. If endlini kungena a month, I'll just roughly, let me say 100,000 endlini a month from both sides combined. Give me kungena 50,000 per me one. Who's winning?
What's
Is
your
it the
point?
married person or is it the single one?
I wanted to enter in.
Mm.
I understand the part ukuthi she plot ukuthi indaba ukuthi sispane C2 for the benefit of the family.
Mm.
But then let's be real. Ne? If spana C2, what kind of respect the woman she becomes after if she's working? Because of normally they will be disrespecting us. It says, "Kids, I'm a CB2. One understand?"
Mm.
Because
Okay.
it's always the case. Let's be
That's-
honest. And later about like us, men will say, okay, now I want to stay more comfortable, more like banabaka ba safety. And then when I will say no, because of now we have money, we can afford. I want us to use this whole money, you understand?
Mm.
And then when you say no, I want to save. Yes, we are making 100Ks. I want to pay the rent of 10,000 to 8,000 maybe, and then save the rest for the kids.